Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will tell you how the function keys work on this laptop. The function keys are located in the top row of your keyboard and they perform different functions, and in this video I'm going to explain you which one does what. So for these two icons, this one goes to the previous page in your browsing history, this one goes to the next page in your browsing history. This one reloads the page, this is the refresh key. This one puts your page into full screen mode. This one switches to the next tab or window. This one decreases the brightness level of your laptop, this one increases it, this one decreases the sound volume of your laptop, and this one, of course, this one mutes the system sound of your laptop, this one decreases the system sound of your laptop, and this one increases it, and this one puts your device on a lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.